Then third contains fourth content, third content complete. First is introduction complete, second definition complete, third example, first example with discussion, fourth second example with discussion, fourth example. So here two part, A dine, here which dines. So here first 1,3 butadiene, so here O, then again here bond, here single bond, double bond O, here R alkyl group, here bond, double bond. Then third N single bond R, single bond, double bond. Then last dienes R bond, single bond, double bond N, single bond R dash, here single bond, double bond. Okay, that is the dienes. Then B part dinopile, so here triple bond R, triple bond RN, N, double bond O, single bond R, single bond O, single bond R, double bond O, here R dash, then last R dash N, single bond, double bond R. That is the alls are dinopiles. Then alls are dienes. Okay, that is the fourth contains example with dine and dinophile like as. Okay, so here already are discussed in introduction. What is the dienes? Dienes means alkenes, alkynes, nitrile, nitroso, aldehyd, ketone, imine, azo group. And dinophile means butadienes. Simple example 1,3 butadienes. Second, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyd or alpha beta unsaturated ketone or alpha beta unsaturated imine. That is the example of dinophiles. Okay, so next content that is the reactivity. Here reactivity of diene, five contents discussion, reactivity of diene. So here factor affect enchanging reactivity of diene, factor enhancing reactivity of dienes. So one by one factor. First factor, ability of diene to adapt on S-cis conformation. Okay, first factor, ability of diene to adapt on S-cis conformation. Second factor, polarity of the system, of a diene. Then third factor, most important, electron donor group, electron donor group. That is the example of 1,3 butadiene, 1,3 butadiene. So here first means okay, here S trans butadiene, then here simple S cis butadiene, here S trans, here S cis butadiene. Okay, here factor, most 3 points are discussion. First points, ability of diene to adapt on S cis conformations, most important. Second, polarity of the system, polarity, sorry here spelling mistake, polarity of the system. Third is electron donor group. Okay, like as an example 1,3 butadiene, there are two parts distributed, one is S trans, here S cis. So most important S cis conformations. So these are S trans, here S cis. So first is, what is the S trans? So two double bonds are trans in reference to the single bond, that is the S trans. Okay, that is the S trans. What is that S trans? Two double bonds are trans in reference to the single bonds. Okay, that is the more stable compounds, then do not undergo Diels-Alder reaction, So what is mean by S cis? Two double bonds are cis in reference to a single bond, it is a less stable, undergo Diels-Alder reaction, it is a more reactivity, that is the S cis butadienes. Okay, then next, reactivity of dienophile, in Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, so here factor enhancing reactivity of dienophile. So main factor of dienophiles. So first factor, electron withdrawing group, a weak pi bond. Second factor, a weak pi bond. Then third, release of ring strain, that is the most factor importance. First is electron withdrawing group. So here electron donor group means reactivity of dienes. Then reactivity of dienophile, it is a electron withdrawing groups, that is the difference. Second, a weak pi bonds are weakly. Then release of ring strain, that is the most important factor of reactivity of dienophiles. Okay.